In today's video, we will discuss how to open a trading account. Our recommended broker is Exness because of the spreads and because it's web-free account. So even if we keep the trades open overnight, we will not be charged for swaps. Also, the spreads on forex pairs is very good. As we said earlier, that for an expert advisor to perform well, spreads and swaps and server costs, these are the important things which should be in control to make the EA profitable. So let's go through the steps. Once you confirm your license and you receive the email from SmartEdge, which will have the details of the license. For example, here we have the license key, and then we will have some tutorials, a tutorial page, download EA, and the PDF guide. We will open the tutorial page, and on the tutorial page, you will see that we have download ALG file. We can download the file from here, which we'll go through the process on another video. Then we have a quick start PDF guide. You can download it from here. And again, we will go to the file on another video. Then we can rent a server for 24/7 operation. We have another video for that. And then we have the opening of trading account, and the button beside go to Exness. So we will just click the button to go to exness.com. Now here you have to go through the registration process. We can click on register, and we can register an account from here. They have some process of registration and then verification of the account. For verification, you will have to provide an address confirmation, something which confirm your address, and then something which confirm your name. Then you can verify your account. It's easy. It's easy steps, but it takes some time. So because we already have an account on Exness, so we will go to sign in, and my account, and this is saved already, so I'll just go to login. Now, because we are not opening a real account, we will be just going for a demo account to check and to see how we can open an account. Actually, basically, the process is the same for a demo and real account. In this account, we will in this and this of my ID, we will go for a demo account to see how the accounts are working and how we can open an account. So it's very simple. We will click on the open account. See, I'll go through it again. I mean, on demo, if you're opening a real account, you should be on the real accounts, but we will go with the demo. Open an account. Now here there are different types of account. They have standard account, which is minimum 10 USD. Then they have a standard cent account. So if your balance is below $600, I would recommend, even if it's below $1,000, then you should go for this account, for the cent account, standard cent. In this account, your amount will be converted to cents. So, for example, if you have $500 in your account, it will show it as the cents, and your balance will be like 50,000 cents. This is very important for the algo or for the EA to calculate the lot sizes as per the master EA. So you should be very careful with that. Else the accounts, the lots or the trades open on your account, the lot sizes will not be correct. So please make sure that if your balance is below $1,000, you open a standard cent account. But if your balance is above $1,000, then you can go for the Pro account. Pro account is one of their best account, which I personally like. Their raw spread and zero is also good, but the Pro is very much like it's user friendly. You can say trader friendly because there is no commission. The spread is a little bit higher than the raw spread and zero, but still it makes sense. It's not too high. Also, there is no swaps on the Pro account. There is no overnight charges if you hold the position. Also, there is no commission. So this account really makes sense for an EA. We will go with the Pro account for now. Select the Pro, and then we will continue. Now, here, if you are opening a real account, then you will click on real. But because for now we are just going for a demo account, so I'll click on demo. Okay. They have multiple currencies. You can open an account in USD or Euro or GBP. It's all fine. We have no issue. The E will have no issue with that. Then just leave it at market, the execution type, and the balance, we will just increase it to 5,000 for now because it's a demo account, so we can keep whatever balance we want. The name of the account, it's not though very important, but it make it easy for you to recognize that which account you're using. So we will change the name to Smart Age EA. And then the max leverage, we recommend 1 to 200. Make sure to don't go for a very high leverage. So 1 to 200 is something good. And then this is the most important thing, the platform. Always choose MT4. Don't go for MT5 because our algo is working on MT4. It's made for MT4 and it work only on MT4. So we will choose MT4 and then we will type a password. There we go. And then we will just click on create account. Now, if you see, we have just created an account. You will see it in here is the account. If it's a real account, you will see it in the real tab. It will be like this. Then you can withdraw, deposit, there will be the options. Let me show you the real accounts also. So here, for example, this is one of the real account of MT4. And you can see the option of withdraw, deposit, and then trade. Okay. So now, if we want to log in it to MT4, you will click on the small button which has 3 dots. Just click on it and then go to account information. Okay. In the account information, you will have the server details, the Exness server details. Then you will have the MT4 login and then the password which we just create when we were creating the account. Now, let me show it to you how we can log into the MT4. For example, I'll just open my MT4. I have an account already here, so I'll just go to the Exness trial. if you don't have an account and it's totally empty, then you have to click on the right click on the account. Okay. And actually my right click button is getting some problem. You can go to log into a trade account from here, from the file, and log into a trade account. Okay. So log into a trade account, and then you will not have these details because I have saved my account. So it is showing these details, but it will be something like this. Okay, like this. Okay. Then what we do, we go to our this details, and we take the copy the account number, this small button, you can copy it with that, and just paste it here. And then the password, which we just give to create the account. And then the server, you can find it here, X server, Exness trial 2. We will just copy it from here and we will paste it here. For ease of use, you can just save and then log in. Okay, see, we have the Smart Edge account login now. So this is how we create an account with Exness, and how we can use it in our trading. Once you connect the account, then in the next video, we will show you how you can connect it to the Smart Edge EA. So that's all for today. See you in the next video.